How to sign up. Tap Member Center icon. Tap Sign Up button. Create your nickname, account name, and password. Enter your phone number. Verify your email address. Enter your referral code. Tap Sign Up button.
How to complete a reservation in Treasure NFT. This tutorial will explain in detail. First, enter the reservation interface from the reservation button on the homepage. Second, select the appropriate level and conditions and click the reservation button. And finally, wait for system confirmation to complete the reservation.
How to withdraw. You can first tap Wallet. Then, tap Withdraw. Now, you can choose a chain. And enter your wallet address. Enter your withdrawal amount. Then, verify with your email. Tap Confirm to complete your withdrawal. You can check records from history. How to check your earnings. You can tap Account. Then tap Details. To check your earnings. The amount of total earnings is based on your promotion rewards and NFT revenue.